Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to log in into two Apple IDs at the same time in one iPhone. So if you're asking about the question that whether you can use two Apple IDs in a single iPhone device, then you can simply use the different Apple IDs for FaceTime and iMessage, but you cannot use the same two Apple IDs in one iPhone because iPhone devices are single Apple ID devices. So you cannot use the two Apple IDs in one iPhone so at a time. So if you want to use two Apple IDs, you have to simply log out one Apple ID from your iPhone, and after that you can simply sign into another Apple ID. But if you want to use two of the Apple IDs at the same time, then it is very difficult. So if you are looking for that, then there is also a question in Apple community: is there a way to have two different Apple IDs on my iPhone, or I have two different passcode active at the same time for different people using the same phone and want account security? So there is no possibility here. iPhones are single ID devices. You can have one Apple ID for messages, FaceTime, and another ID for iCloud, but you cannot have two Apple IDs for iCloud at the same time. As you can see, you can only have one passcode, which means you cannot use two passcodes for the iPhone in a single iPhone device. So you cannot use two Apple IDs in an iPhone at the same time. So if you want to use the two Apple IDs, first we have to go to settings, and after that you have to click on Apple ID, and what you have to do next is you have to simply sign out the Apple ID from your iPhone, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply log in with another Apple ID you want to use. But if you want to use two IDs at the same time, but it is very difficult. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.